Everyone wants to be normal, but no one wants to be ordinary.
누구보다 평범한 삶을 원했던 소녀.
But there's always more behind the facade. Most of the time, Lindy seems quite normal.
하지만 남들과 달리 간헐적 폭발 장애를 가지고 태어난 그녀의 이름은 린디.
And it makes her anything but normal. Maybe if she'd had that normal, loving family, she could have been extraordinary.
사소한 빡침조차 참지 못하고 눈이 뒤집히는.
Instead, she got angrier and angrier, and her disorder got worse and worse.
그야말로 걸어다니는 통제불능의 소유자였습니다.
She could not live safely in the world, and no one would be safe around her. The huge amount of cortisol coursing through Lindy's body made her faster than normal, stronger than normal.
증상을 고치기 위해 온갖 약물 치료를 받아보았지만
But her condition also made her extremely volatile.
부작용으로 인해 상태는 더 불안정해질 뿐이었죠.
A hair trigger, once provoked, she would snap. Her life as a human lab rat began. The results were mixed. So they thought maybe the military would give her the structure to channel her unique gifts.
결국 린디의 폭력성을 재능으로 발현시키기 위해 그녀를 군대로 보냈으나
Of course, all these cures only made it worse. You would think they'd learn not to piss her off.
군대조차 그녀의 분노를 통제하지 못했습니다.
A breakthrough, a chance to be normal, and surprisingly effective.
린디는 새로운 치료법을 통해 평범한 일상을 되찾기 위해 노력합니다.
I know. I'm sorry, but give me just a minute, okay?
때마침 선을 넘는 갑질남을 발견하는 린디.
Yeah, and apparently you're too dumb even for a minimum wage job.
Is this your key?
Yes, that's my key, you fucking moron.
가까스로 위기를 넘긴 린디는 소개팅 장소로 향합니다.
Justin. Hi, I'm Lindy.
Hey,
I'll just have the chicken really quickly then.
fish, please, without the pine nuts.
We don't do substitutions.
Oh no, I'm allergic.
It's restaurant policy.
Okay, the pasta, please.
There is a walnut sauce.
Fuck me. Well, perhaps you could suggest something that might work.
Please don't take that tone.
하지만 종업원의 무례한 행동은 계속되고
How about the chicken?
Let me know if you need anything else.
If you're planning to stab her with that knife, it'd be totally cool with me.
I have to pee, actually. I'll be right back.
감정을 다스리기 위해 화장실로 향한 린디.
But hold up, you should see the first date I just served. I gave the guy some attitude. He practically cried.
하필 그곳에서 자신들의 험담을 하는 종업원의 통화를 듣게 됩니다.
Oh my god.
퓨즈가 끊기기 직전
Customers. It's like my own private geek show.
버튼을 눌러 분노를 조절해 보려 하지만
It's pathetic.
어째서인지 장치는 말을 듣지 않았고 결국 이성을 잃고 맙니다. 결국 첫 소개팅을 처참하게 망쳐버리는 린디. 다음 날 그녀는 자신의 담당 의사인 먼친 박사를 찾아갑니다.
It's not working. Fix it.
You're probably just building up a tolerance.
No, I'm not.
Look, this is cutting-edge, avant-garde treatment. Here. You cannot keep using biochemistry as an excuse. So I'm assuming that the date was a disappointment then?
I mean,
This is not a cure. I've told you that.
이에 먼친 박사는 전기를 대체할 새로운 치료 방법으로
I've upped the voltage, but there's only so much that the human body can take. And why won't you admit that you really like this guy?
because I didn't.
What would you like me to do? Anyway, I think that really you need to admit that the answer to all of your problems is close human connection. You obviously like this guy, so for once have a
Oh,
relationship.
please fuck off.
I'm talking about love.
깊은 감정적 유대감을 형성하는 연애를 시작해보라고 조언하죠.
See you next week.
Yeah, I can't wait.
전혀 내키지 않았던 린디였지만
I'm glad you called. I hate to miss a second chance to disappoint a pretty face.
Well, that depends. Who do you work for?
I work for a private company.
This guy named Barry.
저스틴과 다시 한번 데이트를 하게 됩니다.
What is your heart in?
I like photography. I take pictures on my phone sometimes for fun.
그렇게 서로에 대해 알아가기 시작한 두 사람.
I have to warn you, I'm really crap at dating.
I'm not scared.
Well, maybe you should be.
성공적으로 데이트를 마친 두 사람은 뜨밤을 보내게 되는데
Oh, wait, hold. There are...
Is that like a kinky thing or?
No.
It's not a big deal.
자신의 있는 그대로의 모습을 받아들여주는 저스틴을 보며 린디는 점점 그에게 깊이 빠져들게 됩니다. 다음 날 기분 좋은 아침을 맞이하는 린디.
Good morning.
More like afternoon. Looks so cute where you're sleeping. I didn't want to wake you up.
Not really used to being called cute.
I got you a little something.
Oh no, that's too much. Wow.
You like it?
Perfect. Thank you.
저스틴은 전기 충격 장치에 대해 물어옵니다.
The least of which is this whole situation. You want to elaborate now that we?
It's a new treatment for this.
You're not gonna die on me, are you?
No.
That'd be just my luck. You know, I meet the most amazing woman in the city, and you got 6 months to live?
An impulse control problem, and that helps me to not have it.
Like Tourette's?
No, just tiny bit more.
Well, I don't see anything wrong with you. No. I gotta go to work. No, I can't. Barry will totally bust my balls. Well, I only have one. And he pays for my exclusivity. Come to my place tonight. Yeah, I'll cook. I'm a fucking ninja with a piece of halibut.
두 사람은 저녁 약속을 잡고 저스틴은 일을 하기 위해 먼저 집을 나섭니다. 그렇게 린디는 처음으로 평온한 날들을 보내게 되죠. 잠시 후 기쁜 마음으로 먼친 박사를 찾아간 린디.
You're early.
Yes, I was excited to see you.
Why?
You're a bald and burnished genius. I'm cured. Listen, I took the vest off.
Wow.
A couple more weeks, I'm not even going to need this.
That's great. Gross. No, look, sit down.
장치가 없어도 충동을 제어할 수 있게 되었다며 한껏 들떠 있었습니다.
All right?
No, I don't need a session today.
Yes, you do, because you're manic and it's making me incredibly anxious, and I'm
Don't be
worried
anxious,
about.
don't be anxious.
I am though.
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you more.
Oh boy.
하지만 그날 저녁 약속 시간이 되어도 저스틴은 연락이 되질 않았습니다.
Hello?
Justin?
No. This is Detective Vickers. Homicide.
곧이어 린디는 충격적인 소식을 전해 듣게 되죠.
But how do you know it was murder?
His body was found in a dumpster with 2 gunshot wounds to the head.
유일한 구원자였던 저스틴이 살해당했다는 사실.
Were you together very long?
Tonight was going to be our third date. He was going to cook me dinner.
You know any of his friends, family, or coworkers?
No, I know he's an accountant, but he only had one client. Some guy named Barry.
클라이언트 베리가 의심되는 상황이었습니다.
Can I see him?
No. Family only right now.
Can I talk to his family?
We haven't been able to find anyone yet. We really are very sorry for your loss.
리카스 형사가 몸에 손을 대며 터치하자 분노가 치밀어 오르는 린디.
Listen, just give us a call if you remember anything else.
가까스로 분노를 조절한 린디는 경찰서를 나섭니다. 린디는 피해 복수를 다짐하고 저스틴의 죽음을 직접 파헤치기로 결심합니다.
Hi, Detective Vickers. I need to talk to you. I think I have more information, but I'm scared. Can you come meet me at my place?
증거를 수집하기 위해 형사들을 따돌리는 린디. 단서가 될 증거물을 빼돌리는데 성공합니다. 곧이어 단서를 추적하기 위해 저스틴의 집에 찾아가게 된 린디.
Hi, Lindy. It's Detective Vickers.
그때 비카스 형사에게서 전화가 걸려오고
Why are you stealing evidence?
Because I want to find out what happened.
That's my job.
Uh-huh.
How's that going for you?
I found you, didn't I? But I wanted to give you the chance to come in on your own and clear up this misunderstanding. She's on her way up now.
Balls, where are you?
Parked out front.
She's not gonna shoot me, is she?
No, of course not.
Freeze!
동시에 뒤를 쫓던 내빈 형사가 습격해옵니다.
Your partner's a trip, Vickers.
Hey, Nevin.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Please don't tell me you just called this murder suspect.
Sorry, having a bad day.
잽싸게 도망친 린디는 저스틴의 차를 타고 현장을 벗어납니다.
Lindy, is everything okay up there? Is Nevin okay?
Little busy at the moment.
Is he doing what?
Remembering how to drive stick.
Holy shit, I know that sound. That's my Clarence 600 LT Spider.
I'm starting to get the hang of this stick shit.
I really have to concentrate now, so it's been really nice catching up.
Oh, wait. You go through with this and you're on your own.
Same as always.
형사들과의 끈질긴 추격전이 이어지고 마침내 현란한 운전 실력으로 형사들을 따돌린 린디는 천재 해커를 찾아갑니다.
Who's the biggest geek you've got in this place?
Andy.
Okay, so what? Forget your password or something?
No. It's more the man I loved was murdered and I stole his phone from the police, but now I've got to track down the bad guy before they do so I can kill the shit out of them.
Oh, cool. Not much here. No history. This must be a burner. Your boyfriend a drug dealer or something?
No, accountant.
The last 7 calls came from an abandoned building downtown. Barry Kasparsky. Whoa. FBI files showed ties to arms dealers.
용의자 베리의 은밀한 위치를 알아낸 린디.
How much do I owe you?
Trust me, you can't afford me.
Thanks.
곧바로 베리를 조지러 현장으로 향합니다. 그곳의 정체는 지하 불법 격투 도박장이었죠. 어렵지 않게 베리를 발견한 린디는 단도직입적으로 묻기 시작합니다.
What's going on?
Oh, are you Barry? I guess so. Well, I wanted to pick your brains about the phone calls you have with the accountant that works for you. Did you kill him?
What are you? Cop? Fed?
Oh, no, girlfriend.
I didn't kill any accountant.
But you know who did.
Probably.
I mean, that saves me a massive headache, Barry.
I didn't say I'd tell you.
How about I beat 3 of your best guys and you tell me the name?
Sounds like fun.
그렇게 린디는 도박장 최고의 싸움꾼 3명과 홀로 싸우기 시작합니다. 순식간에 초인적인 폭력성으로 제압해 나가는 린디.
Lucky guess.
아픈 급소만 골라서 타격하는데
Fight's over. Everybody out.
하지만 베리는 애초에 약속을 지킬 생각이 없었습니다.
Okay, you were going to tell me who killed Justin?
But I have never been a man of my word.
린디 역시 그런 베리를 순순히 살려보내줄 리 없었죠.
Interesting ball color. What are we calling that? Oxblood?
Just like a woman. Straight for the nuts.
No, I only do that when I'm in a hurry. Now, who killed him?
I don't know.
Don't be silly.
Garrett Faisal!
Why would he kill his accountant?
Maybe he was skimming the books. Even the government ain't dumb enough to go after Faisal.
곧장 전기 고문에 나서는 린디. 다음 날 정보를 얻기 위해 린디는 비카스 형사를 찾아갑니다.
Look, I found out who killed Justin.
Who?
Gareth Faisal.
You got any proof?
obviously not the sort of person who gives a fuck about proof.
Billionaire recluse with his fingers in a bunch of different illegal pies. He's pretty much untouchable.
Oh, I want to touch him.
Why are you doing this? Is this Justin really worth you risking your life for?
He was a decent guy. He didn't deserve to die like that. He was nice. He was really nice.
The Empyrean Tower downtown. I can't let you go there.
You're not in a great position to stop me, are you?
But I am.
내빈 형사를 피해 도망치는 린디. 하필 린디가 추격을 피해 몸을 숨긴 장소는 다름 아닌 신생아실. 아기의 울음소리에 점점 신경이 예민해지는 린디.
Breathe! Don't move. Don't breathe. Don't fucking fart.
그때 내빈 형사가 도착하고
Don't do it! Seriously?
I trust you.
미친 짓을 감행하며 탈출에 성공합니다. 간신히 도망친 린디는 파이절의 아지트로 곧장 찾아갑니다.
Can I help you?
Gareth Faisal.
There's no one here by that name.
It's going to be a lot less painful for you if you just point me in the right direction.
Good evening.
Can I be of assistance?
Mr. Delacroix, this woman is asking for a Mr. Faisal, and she threatened me.
You're fired.
For what?
Your tone. Miss? Right this way.
델라크루아라는 의문의 남자가 친절하게 안내해줍니다.
That's strange. I would have thought the big cheese would be on the top floor.
뒤통수를 맞은 린디는 기절한 채 알 수 없는 밀실에서 깨어납니다.
What are these for?
It's a really bad idea to take those. I need them.
What for?
A bad heart.
Well, they're mine now. Why are you here?
I need to see your boss. He killed Justin.
Justin who?
His accountant.
Why would he have killed your Justin?
I don't know. Boring, everyday bean counter who's cooking the books for a shady arms dealer. Suddenly assassinated and tossed in a dumpster. Sounds like he had information to disclose. I mean, that and Barry told me.
I'm going to give you a chance to vacate the premises peacefully.
조용히 벗어날 기회를 주는 델라크루아.
And I will be keeping those.
그렇게 린디는 아무것도 하지 못한 채 쫓겨나게 됩니다. 하지만 전기장치를 빼앗기자 급격히 불안해지고
I need my vest. I need to get out of the car.
Look, miss, I don't want to seem overly familiar, but I gotta take you home.
Unlock this door. Let me out.
결국 불안을 참지 못하고 차를 세웁니다. 그 시각 델라크루아는 파이절에게 상황을 보고합니다.
We've had a visitor, a woman. More like an unknown variable.
You know, I don't like unknown variables. Deal with her.
먼친 박사를 찾아간 린디는 새로운 조끼를 요청합니다.
What are you doing here?
I lost my device. Do you have another one here? I really need it. Please.
What happened to the lamp?
I figured if things got really bad, I could bite down on both ends.
I'll get the vest.
이후 집으로 돌아온 린디는 누군가 침입한 흔적을 발견하게 됩니다. 이 상황을 역으로 이용해 상대를 속이기로 하는 린디. 그날 밤 린디를 걱정하는 비카스 형사.
Look, Lindy, I don't want to play games anymore.
You have to stop looking for Justin's killer. You're gonna get hurt. I know what you're capable of.
Because, listen, Detective, I'm gonna do what I need to do.
Lindy, I don't want to see you wind up dead. Just let us do our job.
Does that mean you're gonna go in and arrest Faisal?
Yeah, thought not.
하지만 린디의 침입이 들통나버리고 말죠.
I was hoping to see you.
파이절이 있는 곳으로 끌려가는 린디.
You like lobster? Lobsters belong in the same biological phylum.
Ugly and boring. What a winning combination. What the fuck has this got to do with me?
You are an odd specimen.
파이절은 린디에게 흥미를 갖게 되고
I understand you're here to kill me. Some playing about an accountant?
We hadn't put a label on it, but he was pretty special.
I kill a lot of people. I suppose some of them may be accountants. I'm sorry I killed yours.
Well, apology not accepted, creepy fuck.
You are certainly I'm glad I took this opportunity to get one good, long, hard look at you.
Okay, but can we do it?
또다시 정신을 잃고 알 수 없는 밀실에서 깨어나게 됩니다.
Balls.
Fuck balls indeed.
Justin, did you pull the trigger?
No, I didn't. Though I wish I had.
그 순간 린디의 피를 뽑기 시작하는 델라크루아.
Do you know what exsanguination means? The drainage of one's blood.
바로 그때 각성한 린디는 델라크루아를 사정없이 두들겨 패기 시작합니다.
I have a few questions. How do I get to Faisal?
그렇게 델라크루아를 족친 린디는 파이절의 방으로 향합니다.
Get ready to die, you sick fuck.
하지만 파이절은 이미 죽어 있었죠. 그런데 그때 죽은 줄만 알았던 저스틴은 멀쩡히 살아 있었죠.
Bravo. Well done. You know, I gotta admit, Lindy, right toward the end there, I didn't think you had it in you. My apologies. I decided to take care of Faisal myself.
I saw you. How?
Some bum off the street.
Jesus Christ.
알고 보니 CIA 요원이었던 저스틴이 파이절을 제거하기 위해 린디를 이용한 것이었죠.
The CIA can't operate on U.S. soil.
Even the government wouldn't be dumb enough to go after him.
Yeah, I needed someone from the outside, you know, someone to draw the attention away from myself.
So you chose me?
A glowing recommendation from Dr. Munchin. I mean, who do you think funds his batshit crazy experiments?
먼친 박사 역시 저스틴과 처음부터 한패였습니다.
Who the fuck are you?
I'm the only one keeping this old shitbag from killing innocent people. Faisal was an asset that became a liability. Everybody wanted him dead, but nobody could touch him. Not so untouchable anymore, are you, handsome? Huh?
You low-life piece of shit. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
처음으로 마음을 열었던 유일한 사랑에게 배신당한 린디.
You must really be into me. Oh, sorry, I did a bit of tinkering. Desperate, broken princess avenges the death of her lover and then takes her own life. You know what's funny? I thought you'd be harder to crack. I really did, because you seemed pretty messed up.
저스틴이 린디의 사랑을 비웃고 조롱하기 시작하자 린디의 분노가 한계치를 뛰어넘어 각성해버립니다.
Unlucky for you, fuck this.
The fuck is this?
A party gift.
그렇게 저스틴에게 폭탄을 선물하고 떠나는 린디. 복수를 위해 곧바로 먼친 박사를 찾아가는데
I'm sorry.
Backstabbing
Wait. I had no idea what they were going to do with you. I'm assuming that both Justin and Faisal are dead?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Guess who's next?
No, wait. Remember, we set you free.
You served me up like a lamb to the slaughter.
I had no idea. Think about the things that we can do to
Are you out of your mind? You betrayed me.
I helped you more than anybody else in the world.
하지만 린디를 쫓은 형사들이 들이닥칩니다.
Lindy, drop the gun.
Hold on!
Drop the gun!
I'm not done!
I'm good. Sorry, I thought you were trying to kill him.
Ivan Marcellus Munchin, you're under arrest for practicing medicine
All right.
without a license.
Little help?
폭풍이 지나간 후 잿더미로 폐허가 된 집으로 돌아옵니다.
You're back.
그곳에서 정체불명의 여성과 마주하게 되죠.
Who are you? It's like a bomb went off in here.
Yeah, I had a tricky boiler.
But why have you come back?
It's my apartment.
Well, most people, when their lives blow up, will just keep on running.
Sorry, do I know you? Have you been following me?
Yeah, you are just as spunky as Munchin described. You've done well under our care. Now, Lindy, you have seen how powerful you can be when you embrace your rage.
I'm okay as I am, thanks.
분노를 억누르는 삶 대신 마음껏 해방하라며 제안하는 모습으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.
Through our work, you'll learn to harness your rage and target the right people. Humans are the most powerful, undetectable weapon.